Today's topic is some important terms or terminology and definitions used in heredity. Now, first term is chromosome. Then, what is chromosome? Chromosome is condensed form of DNA. Chromosome is condensed form of DNA. And what is DNA? DNA is the long thread like structure, double helical structure in which genes are found. Is that clear? And these DNA are systematically arranged to form a chromosome, and this chromosome is formed of DNA, and this is DNA systematically. That means chromosome is compact form of DNA. Compact form of. Is that clear? Now, chromosome. What is chromosome? The chromosome is compact form of DNA which is rod-like structure in the nucleus. It appears during the cell division and carry genes. And what is gene? Gene or factor. Gene or factor. The term gene was coined by Johansen in 1909. Gene term was given by Johansen in 1909 and factor term was given by Mendel in 1865. In 1865, there is no concept of gene. But Mendel said that there is something which carry the characters from one generation to next generation, and that something is known as factor. Now, after the development of more advancement in genetics, and genetics branch developed as a new branch biology, and gene term arise. Gene term came in existence in 1909. Factor term came in 1865, while genetics branch of genetics term is came in 1905, given by Bateson. Now, next is character. What is character? Character is the feature or characteristic of an individual. That means height, color, shape. This is character. And trait, these are inherited character. Those characters which are inherited, transferable from one generation to next generation. That means tall is a trait of height character. Is that clear? Now, next one is allele. Allele. What is allele? Allele is alternate form of the character is known as allele. Alternate form of character of a character or trait is known as gene. Is known as allele or allelomorph. Allele or allelomorph. ALLELO allelomorph. One of the different form of the particular gene occupying on the same position of a chromosome. Suppose this is a homologous chromosome. Suppose this is a homologous chromosome and this position lies for suppose height, character height. HEIGST. And gene, suppose this character is responsible for capital T and this position is responsible for small t. Now this is for tall, this position is for tall and this position is for dwarf, and both the characters are, both tall and dwarf are the alternate form of the character height. So capital T and small t are the allele of each other. Now for gene height, two forms available, capital T and small t, that means tall and dwarf. More than, that means character is found in more than one form is known as allele. Now hybrid, an individual having two different alleles for the same character for the same trait is known as hybrid. Dominant allele, the allele whose phenotype will expressed even in the presence of the another allele. That means when capital T or small t both are present, then the dominant allele is capital T. The capital T is gene, the capital T allele is responsible for tall and small t is responsible for dwarf character. This capital T is dominant allele and small t is recessive allele. Recessive, those characters which are masked by the dominant allele and not seen in presence of the dominant allele, and these are called as recessive allele. Recessive alleles are represented by the small letter small t, and dominant alleles are represented by capital letter capital T. Genotype, genetic composition of a gene is known as genotype. Phenotype, external character, external observable or measurable characters of an individual is known as phenotype. Height, color, number, etc. Monohybrid crop, when hybridization takes place by the considering single character, single pair of contrasting character is known as monohybrid cross. Dihybrid crop, when crossing takes place by two pair of contrasting characters. Homozygous, when an individual possesses a pair of identical gene controlling a given character and will breed true for this character is called as identical alleles. Heterozygous, when individual has a pair of contrasting genes, here identical genes, here contrasting gene, are called as heterozygous gene. Just suppose that capital T are the homozygous, small t are the homozygous. Both the alleles are similar, but in capital T or small t, though both the alleles are the different. So these are the heterozygous and this is homozygous. Now next one is progeny. Descendants. Progeny means descendants. Descendants are offspring of a daughter organism. As a daughter organism is known as progeny. Gametes, reproductive cell containing one set of chromosome, that means half set of chromosome, is known as of dissimilar chromosome is known as gametes. Thank you.